In previous lessons, we learned that your credit score depends on having a good credit history, but you're starting in a bad place if things are recorded wrong. Many people think that as your trustee, I report information directly to the credit bureaus. That's not true. For privacy reasons, I don't have a direct link to Equifax and TransUnion. Credit bureaus get the details on your bankruptcy or consumer proposal directly from the government, and they get your debt information from your creditors, the people you owe money to. You might think you can contact your creditors to have your information corrected, and that may work, but that doesn't always work. It's up to you to dispute errors with each credit bureau. The process is simple but tedious. First, you need to find the dispute resolution page on their websites. I've added links for each credit bureau in the information section below and on our website at hoyes.com, but a simple web search will find them as well. TransUnion allows you to submit a dispute online, by mail, or by phone. At the time of this recording, Equifax only has an online and mail option. Once you've located the form, you'll need to collect documentation to verify your identity and to prove that a mistake has been made. To confirm personal information, they may ask for a valid driver's license, birth certificate, or a copy of a utility bill. To prove a payment date, you may need a current account statement or a release letter from your creditor or collection agency. If you're correcting information about a bankruptcy or consumer proposal, you'll need to send a copy of your certificate of discharge or certificate of completion or full performance. Filing a dispute is free. You don't have to pay a fee to file a dispute. You can dispute as often as you like and can resubmit additional documents if the credit bureau does not accept your position. Keep track of what you submitted. I recommend you write down what items you disputed, what you want corrected, and that you keep copies of everything you sent to the reporting agency. Once you received confirmation that your dispute has been accepted, wait 30 days, then get another copy of your credit report if the credit bureau didn't already send you one. Check that the information is now correct. If not, file another dispute, perhaps this time with more documentation. It's important to fix errors early if you're planning to apply for credit, since the dispute resolution process can take anywhere from 20 business days to 3 or 4 months. I generally recommend you wait to apply for credit until all corrections have been made. Once things are correct, review your credit report at least once a year for new or recurring mistakes.